150 important days, national and international. World Braille Day, January 4. NRI Day, January 9. World Hindi Day, January 10. National Youth Day, Swami Vivekananda's birthday, January 12. Army Day, January 15. Desh Prem Divas, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birthday, January 23. National Girl Child Day, January 24. National Tourism Day, January 25. National Voters Day, January 25. India's Republic Day, January 26. Lala Lajpat Rai birthday, January 28. World Leprosy Eradication Day, last Sunday of January. Martyrs Day, January 30. National Religious Freedom Day, January 16. Data Protection Day, January 28. World Cancer Day, February 4. Safer Internet Day, February 7. International Day of Women and Girls in Science, February 11. National Productivity Day, February 12. World Radio Day, February 13. Valentine's Day, February 14. World Day of Social Justice, February 20. International Mother Language Day, February 21. Central Excise Day, February 24. National Science Day, February 28. Zero Discrimination Day, March 1. World Wildlife Day, March 3. National Defense Day, March 3. International Women's Day, March 8. Pi Day, March 14, 3/14. World Consumer Rights Day, March 15. World Sparrow Day, March 20. International Day of Forest, March 21. World Water Day, March 22. World Meteorological Day, March 23. World TB Day. March 24. World Drama Day. March 27. World Theatre Day. March 27. World Health Day. April 7. World Homeopathy Day. April 10. World Heritage Day. April 18. World Orphans Day. April 20. Civil Service Day. April 21. Art Day. April 22. World Malaria Day. April 25. International Labor Day, Workers' Day. May 1. World Laughter Day. First Sunday of May. World Red Cross Day. May 8. Mother's Day. Second Sunday of May. World AIDS Vaccine Day. May 18. International Museum Day. May 18. Anti-Terrorism Day. May 21. Commonwealth Day, India. May 24. Anti-Tobacco Day, World No Tobacco Day. May 31. World Environment Day. June 5. World Day Against Child Labor. June 12. World Blood Donor Day. June 14. World Refugee Day. June 20. World Music Day. June 21. International Day of Yoga. June 21. Father's Day. Third Sunday of June. International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. June 26. National Statistics Day. June 29. National Statistics Day. June 29. National Doctors Day. July 1. World Population Day. July 11. World Malala Day. June 12. World Day for International Justice. July 17. National Mandela International Day. July 18. Kargil Vijay Diwas. July 26. World Hepatitis Day. July 28. International Tiger Day. July 29. World Breastfeeding Week. World Breastfeeding Week, August 1 to 7. Friendship Day, India, first Sunday of August. Hiroshima Day, August 6. Quit India and Nagasaki Day, August 9. International Youth Day, August 12. Independence Day of India, August 15. World Mosquito Day, August 20. Women's Equality Day, August 26. National Sports Day, August 29. Teachers Day, Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday, September 5. International Day of Charity, September 5. World Literacy Day, September 8. National Hindi Diwas, September 14. Engineers Day in India, September 15. International Day of Democracy, September 15. World Ozone Day, September 16. Alzheimer's Day, September 21. International Day of Peace, September 21. World Rabies Day, September 28. World Heart Day, September 29. International Day of the Older Person, October 1. World Vegetarian Day, October 1. Mahatma Gandhi birthday, October 2. International Day of Non-Violence, October 2. World Animal Day, October 4. World Teachers Day, October 5. Indian Air Force Day, October 8. World Post Office Day, October 9. International Girl Child Day, October 11. World Arthritis Day, World Arthritis Day, October 12. World Students Day, birthday of APJ Abdul Kalam, October 15. World Food Day, October 16. International Day for the Eradication of Poverty, October 17. World Statistics Day, October 20. World Energy Day, October 22. UN Day, October 24. International Day to End Impunity for Crimes Against Journalists, November 2. World Tsunami Awareness Day, November 5. National Legal Service Day, November 9. World Pneumonia Day, November 12. World Diabetes Day, November 14. Children's Day in India, Jawaharlal Nehru birthday, November 14. International Day for Tolerance, November 16. International Day of Students, November 17. National Journalism Day, November 17. World Adult Day, November 18. World Citizen Day, November 19. National Integration Day, November 19. World Fisheries Day, November 21. World Hello Day, November 21. Constitution Day, National Law Day or Samvidhan Divas, November 21. World AIDS Day, December 1. World AIDS Day, December 1. World Computer Literacy Day, December 2. International Day of Abolition of Slavery, December 2. International Day of People with Disabilities, December 3. Navy Day, December 4. World Soil Day, December 5. International Civil Aviation Day, December 7. International Day Against Corruption, December 9. Human Rights Day, December 10. International Energy Conservation Day in India, December 14. International Day Against Violence Against Sex Workers, December 17. International Migrants Day, December 18. Goa's Liberation Day, December 19. Kisan Divas, Farmers Day, December 23. National Good Governance Day, birthday anniversary of A.B. Vajpayee, December 25. World Photography Day, August 19. National Handloom Day, August 7. Global Forgiveness Day, July 7. World Meteorology Day, May 20. International Nurse Day, May 12. International Dance Day, April 29. World Book and Copyright Day, April 23. World Wildlife Day, March 3. National Consumers Day, December 24. Sarojini Naidu's birthday. February 13. National Religious Freedom Day. January 16.